Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Brown color, sky blue color, purple color, green color, black color, silver color, pink color, orange color, white color, light green color, red color, and yellow color. So kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. Kids, now you draw H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. It's now you draw O. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. It's now you draw U. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yak. And Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.